Hello friends, welcome to Torres Math. Today we are going to work on factorization and we have these two questions that we are going to work on. Please stay tuned and we are going to make it easy. The first question, we have 2x squared minus x minus 6. So with factorization, you multiply the first term and the last term, and this one you get minus 12x squared. Then you take the middle one, which is minus x. So now you're finding factors that when you multiply, you get minus 12x squared. And when you add, you get minus x. So those factors, the factors of 12, we have 6 and 2, but 6 and 2 will not help us. We have 4 and 3. So minus 4x and plus 3x actually works, because if you multiply minus 4x times 3x, you get minus 12x squared. And if you say minus 4x plus 3x, you get minus x. So these are the factors we need. So you're going to take these factors and replace them with the middle term. So it's going to be 2x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Right, now you look at these two terms, find the common factor between them, and we have 2x. So you factor out 2x and you'll be left inside with x minus 2. Yeah, and we go to this one, find the common factor as well, which is plus 3 only, because x, we don't have x here, so it becomes x minus 2. And these two brackets, they should be the same. If they are not the same, that means like we did something wrong somewhere and we have to try and find the mistake. So if they are the same, well done. You can move on to the next one to say, therefore, this one, they form their own bracket, which is x minus 2, and these, they form their own, which is 2x plus 3. And this is the final answer. Yeah. Now we go to the last question, and we have 3x squared plus 19x plus 20. Remember, we said we multiply this, and the signs, they are always important. And this will give us plus 60x squared and 19x. So which factors of 20, when we multiply, we get 60x squared, and when we add, we get 19. If we go with 20 and 3, we are not going to get to 19. But 15 and 4, I think those factors are going to work for us. So that's 15x plus 15x and plus 4x. When you multiply, you get plus 60x squared. When you add plus 15x plus 4x, you get plus 19x. So we are going to take these factors, put them here. So it becomes 3x squared plus 15x plus 4x plus 20. Now look at these two terms. Do they have a common factor? Yes. And what is the common factor? 3x. Take it outside and you'll be left with x plus 3. Yeah? Look at these two. Do they have a common factor? Yes. What is the common factor? Oh, sorry guys, I made a mistake. 3 into 15, it's 5. All right. And look at these other two terms. Do they have a common factor? Yes. And what is it? Plus 4. And if you take out x, what about into 20? Becomes 5 as well. So this and this are the same. So we can go right ahead to say x plus 5. And these ones, they form their own bracket, 3x plus 4. And these are our final answers. Thank you so much for staying tuned until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next one. Cheers.